Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add multiple accounts on your Facebook. So as you guys can see over here, I have multiple accounts on my Facebook and I can log in into anyone I want. I can just click on the profile picture and here I am. Alright, just like that. Now before I teach you how you guys can do this, let me tell you guys, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now with that out of the way, let's move on. First step you want to do is click on the menu at the bottom of your screen and scroll a bit down and click on logout and click on logout. Now once you log out from an account, the account which you just logged in is going to be shown over here, which means you only have one account. Now let's say you want to add another Facebook account. What you want to do is click on versus login into another account. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. After you come to this page and enter your phone number or email and enter your password, click on login and log in into your account. What it's going to show you is it's going to log you into your account. Now once you log in into your Facebook account and log out from it, it's going to be added over here. So the only thing you want to do is keep on logging into your account. So let's say I logged in into Witchy Kevin over here like this, and let's say I want to add another account. What I can do is log out from my current account and click on log into another account and log in into another account and log out from the account which I just logged in. And what's going to happen is I'm going to go back over here. It's going to be added over here, right? So just do the same action which I did and it should work. And if you want to remove our account from your device, you can click on the setting icon over here and you can choose the account which you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove Witchy. I can click on it and click on versus remove account. Once I do that, the account will be removed from my phone. Alright, so that's how you guys can remove our account which you have added. But yeah, that's basically how you guys can add multiple accounts on your Facebook. Like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.